Hello Heroes! A series of leaks have given a sneak peek of two of GoPro's upcoming cameras, the GoPro Hero 8 action camera and the GoPro Max 360 camera. The leaked photos suggest that a new replacement for the GoPro Fusion has been registered with the Japanese Ministry of Communications. This forthcoming camera from GoPro also seems to be registered with the FCC under the code SPCC1. We expect these rumors to be true eventually. Agree? Let us know your thought in the comment section below. In this video, we'll talk about the expected features, price, release date, and how the rumored features in the GoPro Max 360 compare with the current ones in GoPro Fusion 360. Expected features. Leaked photos show a dome-shaped camera lens on the front and the back along with a new display screen on the side. The current model GoPro Fusion comes with a small monochrome information panel, but no display screen. Shooting without a display screen means you're shooting blindly and hoping for the best, so a display is a welcome addition. Another improvement seems to be the ability to record videos using a single SD card. The current model, which was launched 2 years ago, requires you to have 2 SD cards, one for each of the cameras. Expected launch price. GoPro Fusion, which usually retails for $599, is currently selling at a heavily discounted price of $299. Although no additional details related to price have been leaked, we expect the price to be somewhere in the range of $499 to $599. Expected release date. GoPro usually launches a camera in September every year, and in May this year, they announced plans to launch new cameras across all current price points. The leaks also suggest that the GoPro Max 360 will be announced in September this year, along with 3 other cameras, the Hero 8, Hero 8 White, and the Hero 8 Silver. So, how does GoPro Max 360 compare with the GoPro Fusion 360? While the leaks do not reveal a lot of specs, 2 distinct features appear to have been improved upon from the GoPro Fusion. First is the addition of a new display, and the second is the ability to record everything on one SD card. With such improvements, it appears that GoPro is committed to improving its products after taking user feedback into account. It would be interesting to see if there are any enhancements in the existing 360 technology when it is officially announced. I hope you find this video helpful. What do you think? Are you excited and waiting eagerly for the launch of the new Max 360? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. See you soon.